Hi, my name's Peter from True North Marine. I spent my career in the maritime industry. The last 20 I was a trainer and assessor. I'm retired now, so I spend my time as a rescue boat captain and I make short training videos. I'm also an invigilator with the Office of Maritime Communication, so I conduct exams for people who need their marine radio license, and I do tutoring as well. So if you need any assistance in any of those areas, send me an email, truenorthmarine.com@gmail.com, or go to the website truenorthmarine.com.au, and hopefully you'll enjoy this video today. So today's video is not a teaching video as such. So this video is going to test your knowledge on the collision regulations, particularly sound signals for visual, narrow channel and restricted visibility situations. You should have a pen and some paper handy. Write your answers down. Then when you get to the end, you can compare your answers with the correct answers.